Tower, China is on the half an hour HC on the tower.
Air China, please taxi. Get off the runway. Keep moving the airplane.
Okay, we move now and I'm about to for general exit go.
I don't understand. Air China, please just taxi. It's been 4 hours.
Okay, we moved to we also ran out of chicken fried rice and some rice on the airplane. We could refill, please.
JetBlue 249 going around, traffic on the runway.
JetBlue 249, flight published, missed.
Hello, China is on a runway on the to the left on the still which runway?
Air China, get off the runway. This is the 47th plane that had to go around because of you.
Okay, we go around China 265.
Air China, you can't go around. You just landed.
Okay, China 265, we get off the runway and taxi to the gate.
Remind me to never fly Air China again.